Hey lovies, let's talk about something that's been a game changer for my natural hair, heatless curls. Listen, I used to be team flat iron everything, but once I started giving my hair a break from heat, I noticed something real. My curls started thriving, like for real. Less breakage, more bounce, and a lot more compliments. Heatless curls don't just look cute, they're a whole vibe and they protect your strands. You get to stretch your hair without frying it, and that's important if you're on a growth journey or just trying to keep your curls healthy and juicy. Now let me put you on to a few tips that make heatless curls really work for you. Tip number 1, start on damp, not soaking wet hair. If your hair is too wet, it takes forever to dry, and you won't get that definition you're looking for. Tip number 2, use a light leave-in or curl cream. You don't want heavy products weighing the curls down. Keep it light and fluffy. Tip number 3, make sure you secure those ends. Use satin or foam rods, or even flexi rods. But whatever you use, tuck those ends to protect them from drying out and splitting. Tip number 4, let it fully dry. I know we get impatient, but unraveling too early can ruin the whole style. Sleep in it overnight if you can. Tip number 5, be sure to wrap it right at night. A satin bonnet or scarf is a must. Don't let all that work go to waste by laying your head on cotton pillows. And tip number 6, separate with care. When you take those curls down, use a bit of oil on your fingers. It reduces frizz and adds shine. Check out this TikTok video of how to do heatless curls.
If you don't know how to wrap your hair around a heatless curler, have no fear, the queen of heatless curls is here. First things first, you need a heatless curler. But yeah, heatless curler, a clip, and 2 hair ties. That's all you need. Whenever I do my heatless curls, it's always on blown out hair. Ooh, child, someone biting an apple. First step, take your heatless curler, plop it on that head. Now this is where the clip comes in, so hold it in place. Taking the first piece, you want to wrap it around. I think I need to bring y'all a little closer. Now that the first piece is wrapped around, take some hair and wrap it around again, making sure to wrap tight. Take some more hair and wrap. You're going to keep doing this. Once you get to this point, just want to keep wrapping. To secure it, I like to fold it up and tie. Boom. Let's do the other side. Take your first piece, wrap, add hair, and wrap it around again. It's a very repetitive thing to do. Low-key, you can kind of think of it like doing a stitch braid, because you're taking the hair and you're wrapping it. Add some more hair into it. Wrap it around. Gather some more hair. Add it into that piece. Wrap it around. So essentially you have the hair that you wrapped and you have the hair that hasn't been wrapped. Cut that in half. Add it and wrap it. Add it and wrap it. Once you get to the end of your hair, fold it up, tie it off, and boom, you just did a heatless curl. Y'all know how I mentioned earlier you want to wrap your hair around the heatless curler tight? This side is much tighter than this side. And when I say tight, I don't mean traction alopecia tight. You just want to make sure the hair is on there good. Now see how the hair doesn't like really move on the rod versus this? I mean, this side isn't too bad, but this is what you really want. All you gotta do now is put on your scarf, put on your bonnet, and go to bed. Y'all shouldn't be shocked. It's a heatless curler. Y'all ready to see this hair fall off the bone? Hold on. Oh my gosh, it never gets old. Shut up. Shut up. I know some of y'all don't like when I brush out the curls, but I think I'm gonna brush out the curls. Maybe I'll just do a little finger comb action. The hair looks real good, but I'm going with a little bit of oil. This has been my favorite, the Mayel Kalahari. Yeah, it just smells so good. I already know y'all want to see the back. I'm gonna show y'all. Don't worry, don't call Paw Patrol. It eats. But yeah, that's it. This is what was under my bonnet.
Her curls came out super cute. Just know that heatless curls are one of the best low manipulation styles out here. You get length, definition, and protection, all without a blow dryer or flat iron in sight. So if you've been thinking about switching it up, go for it. Your hair will thank you. I'm going to leave the link in the description bar to the flexi rods she used in the video, just in case you want to pick you up some. Let's keep our crowns healthy and fly, heat-free and fabulous. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Be blessed.